Hey guys, how's it going? You must have heard about ChatGPT, which is crushing the internet lately, and you might be curious what it really is. Well, gather round, folks, because I've got a story to tell you about ChatGPT, the AI language model. Let's begin, shall we? So ChatGPT is an AI language model created by OpenAI. Now, what's a language model, you ask? Great question, my dear Watson. A language model is a type of AI that's trained to understand human language and generate responses to it. In other words, it's like talking to a robot that's really good at pretending to be human. It is trained to understand human language and generate responses to it. And let me tell you, it's got some serious skills. You might be curious about its history, right? Let my AI friend Adam tell you about those things.
Let's talk about the history of ChatGPT. It all started in November 2022 when OpenAI introduced GPT-3, the language model that ChatGPT is based on. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a type of neural network that's used for natural language processing.
And for the neural network, let's cover that part in some other video. Now, who created this amazing AI, you ask? Well, that would be the geniuses over at OpenAI. OpenAI's systems run on the fifth most powerful supercomputer in the world. The organization was founded in San Francisco in 2015 by Sam Altman, Reid Hoffman, Jessica Livingston, Elon Musk, Ilya Sutskever, Peter Thiel, and others, who collectively pledged US $1 billion. They're a team of tech wizards who are dedicated to advancing AI and making it more accessible to the masses. So, how do you use ChatGPT? Well, it's pretty easy, really. You just simply go to the website, it will ask you to log in and verification, then type in a question or statement you want to ask, and then it generates a response based on its training data. It's like having a conversation with that boy of your class who always sits at the front desk during the lectures and scores straight A in the tests. You know what I'm trying to say? And what are the uses of ChatGPT, you ask? Well, let me tell you, it's pretty versatile. It can be used for everything from customer service chatbots to creative writing prompts to helping you come up with ideas for your next novel. Heck, it can even help you write code for your programs also. And the problem related to your codes, like, how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? It can even be used for therapy and counseling, although I wouldn't recommend relying solely on an AI for that one. It can explain complex terms in simpler way. You can ask it some fancy questions like, explain quantum computing in simple terms, and it will make it simpler to understand. And the best part is that it can even remembers what users said earlier in the conversation and allows users to provide follow-up corrections. And of course, with every good thing, there are limitations. Its knowledge is limited of world and events after 2021. It's not a replacement for human interaction, and it shouldn't be used as one. Plus, it's important to remember that it's only as good as its training data, so if the data is biased, the responses might be too. So, there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about ChatGPT. It's a cool AI language model that can be used for a variety of purposes, but it's not a replacement for human interaction, and it has its limitations. But hey, isn't that true of all of us? We're all flawed, but we're still pretty great. I'll leave its link in the description down below. Feel free to check it. It will help you to become more smarter. With that being said, I'll wrap up today's video. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep exploring and keep learning.